Namaskar and welcome to E-News of IPR Department. I'm Manisha presenting you all the news bulletin. The summary of COVID-19 in Sikkim till 1st of June. Total samples sent to North Bengal Medical College and Hospital Siliguri till date is 1625, out of which 930 have tested negative and 1 has tested positive for COVID-19. 694 sample test results are awaited. Total samples tested at Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratory STNM Hospital till date is 514, out of which 356 have come negative and 158 test results are awaited. Similarly, TrueNat machine at STNM has so far tested 1386 samples, out of which 1315 have come negative and results for 71 samples are awaited. Grand total of both RT-PCR and TrueNat till date are 3525, out of which 2601 have come negative and results for the remaining samples are awaited. Yesterday, Additional Chief Secretary, Finance cum Development Commissioner Sri V.P. Pathak visited the screening center at Rampur and took stock of the screening process and the arrangements made by the district administration. A total of 43 Sikkimese people stranded in Nepal returned to the state through the Kakarvita border. The returnees arrived at Panitanki, India on foot through Kakarvita border. They were assisted by OC WBP Panitanki Sri Pradeep Trikhatri along with his police personnel and the SSB personnel. The returnees were received by officials and staff of the state government at Panitanki, from where they were brought back to Sikkim by 2 SNT buses. On their way back, the returnees were provided food packets by the officers and staff of BDO office Khoribari. It may further be informed that people who are left out would be evacuated soon with similar arrangements. The Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, in collaboration with Sikkim Chess Association, organized by Northeast States Online Chess Tournament 2020, which is the first of its kind in the Northeast with total prize money of Rs 50,000, where Sikkim stood second in open competition. In this tournament, 185 players from the 8 northeastern states participated. The tournament was officially inaugurated by Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Sri Kunga Nima Lepcha on 29th May 2020. The inaugural program was conducted in the webinar and also joined by All India Chess Federation Secretary Sri Bharat Singh Chauhan, South Asian Chess Council Deputy President Sri Dharmendra Kumar, Presidents and General Secretaries of different chess associations of northeastern states, Grandmaster Sri Praveen Tipse, President of Sikkim Olympic Association, Secretary and officers of Sports and Youth Affairs Department. The Department of Agriculture, Horticulture and Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services, Government of Sikkim, distributed various agricultural inputs and tokens to the landslide affected households of Upper Lingchom and farmers of Lingchong Tinda Gram Panchayat unit under Kabi Lingchong constituency yesterday. The Honorable Minister for Agriculture Sri Loknath Sarma and the Honorable Minister cum Area MLA Sri Karma Lode Bhutia jointly handed over tokens and various inputs to the 11 landslide affected families and beneficiaries at Community Recreational Center Lingchom. Addressing the affected families and the beneficiaries, Minister Sri Loknath Sarma expressed heartfelt condolences to the Upper Lingchom landslide victim families and wished for speedy recovery and injured persons on behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister and the people of Sikkim. He also urged everyone to take optimum benefits of the departmental inputs and tokens in earning their livelihood sincerely. Elucidating the importance of agricultural profession, Minister Sarma said that the global crisis of COVID-19 has given a key message to realize human indispensability on agriculture and urged people to adopt farming as an essential component of healthy lifestyle. He also informed about the provision of subsidized loan dedicated to the farmers in banking sector and urged the interested farmers to come forward with complete commitment. He also informed that the state government will conduct a survey of uncultivated private land holding for proper utilization of unused land for farming purpose. He advised educated youths and farmers to adopt fisheries and piggery farming on priority and further elaborated its scope to boost economy and self-reliance. Further, he assured to provide all possible support from government's end to support farmers. Minister Sarma also added that the state of Sikkim is well protected and safe from COVID-19 pandemic because of appropriate preventive measures initiated by the government in advanced stage. Minister cum area MLA Sri Karma Lodi expressed gratitude to the Agriculture, Horticulture and Animal Husbandry Department for distributing various agricultural inputs. He also urged to provide training to the farmers. In his brief address, Sri Bhutia informed that the state government has provided ex gratia to the victim family of Upper Lingchong landslide immediately after the incident. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates.